movie, this the part of the art. Homie, he a simp like Bart. I keep a Maggie, put something in your face, my third eye looking at. I roll this when it's a fatty. Niggas and bitches so chatty. I'd rather chill with my old heads drinking natty daddies. Don't at me, I still smoke nat leaves. Be with a trap B and all you can't trap.
Alright, I have my barber fuck one of you niggas up. I'll start smoking work before I give a bitch something. I don't speak no English, I can't tell the boys nothing. Ski mask beanie, I done turned this bitch into a scully. AJB, let these niggas know you had to hustle for the dreads when you had the fro. I'm a RATCHET, I should let you niggas know. Brody keep the strap on him like a pair of Jabos.
Since a youngin', I been counting pros. Trash bags in and out the trunk, but I ain't washing clothes. Get the product from the connect, then I go move the load. This ain't the same wave, no, this a different flow. Chatty niggas acting like they got it when they get around the hoes. Brody think he a shark when he got that fin on. I ain't a stylist, but I style putting that shit on. I ain't middleman in the set, cause bitch I got my own. Plugin' had to front me shit, nigga, cause I ain't need a loan. And if he did, I can't correct, that's why my money long. Residue on the skizzy and the table I been bagging on. Gotta speak in code when you on that fed phone. Feel like Master P, ain't no limit to the shit that I'm on.
I'm smoking ice cream cake, yeah, I'm Master P. I got a nigga from New Orleans, from the 17. Shout out my nigga KRISPYLIFE. My KRISPYLIFE started when I was 17. Before that was skipping school with methamphetamines. I was young boy before young boy was a youngin'. It was me, your mama, and yours cousin. Popping Moet in the back of a limousine.
Wild nigga, I like fucking and rough sex. Slide and shoot up an apartment complex. Beat your favorite rapper ass at sound check. It's a silence on this bitch. I ain't heard a sound yet. He ain't really hard, so why is y'all hyping dog? Stop shitting on these niggas, but I'm about to take the diaper off. Every car ride by, hit the whip, don't aim for the stars. If we hit the wrong whip, our excuses, we ain't like the cars.